What's the benefits of touring with us? We do all the hard work for you. We map all these rides. We've been mapping these rides for over 10 years in Vietnam now. And knowing that we are dedicated motorcycle riders and adventurers, we have you in mind to deliver a really good quality tour. And that extends into knowing the good places to stay, taking the right routes, having the right bikes for the job that are fully serviced and maintained throughout the tour, carrying spare parts, fuels included. We organise breakfast and lunch and catering for Western diets, and not making you feel like you're on some sort of guided bus tour, because you're not. You're riding with like-minded riders with that common interest. So on a lot of our tours, sometimes we'll have riders that they come on their own, they don't know anyone else to tour, and by the end of the tour, all these people become new friends, they've shared this incredible adventure, and often these riders will come back with those same riders again to do more rides. So it's really quite incredible. And the fun, of course, of a night time, plenty of cold beers, great food, lots of laughs. We're offering this personalised in-house booking service. So, you're treated as a person, not a number. Our booking team have many years experience. So you get in contact with us, you tell us which ride you want to go on or what the preferred dates are. And with that said, of course, we also design private tours who people might be a group of friends or a couple that just totally want to do their own private thing. But they've got our support. And our support is you've got the most experienced guides in the business that have the knowledge, the skills, our 24-hour back-to-base support. You come here and rent a bike, and I guess it's like anywhere. You go somewhere, you rent a bike, you start riding around, half the time you're going to be lost. And you think knowing where you're going, but you're not really getting that full benefit of the ride because you're so focused on making sure that you're not lost and you're going in the right direction and having to tackle with any issues along the way. We don't babysit you. Once you're on that bike and riding, you're responsible for your own actions, but you have that beauty of being able to really kick back, fully embrace the ride, knowing that we've got everything covered for you. And I think that's really important on any journey and giving you that maximum adventure of going where no one else goes.